Are you retarded? Are you easily convinced to buy crap? Are easy tasks like putting on a seatbelt too complicated for you? Are you tired of everything being black and white? Well, have we got the solution for you. Introducing the human seatbelt. Or the automatic human seatbelt. No need for expensive vehicle accessories. The human seatbelt does it all. Including advanced GPS system. Hot summer days with no AC? No problem. Human seatbelts got you covered. Human seatbelt's also passenger friendly. Very passenger friendly.
So, what's up with the dude?
Shh. But I was just...
No! Your seatbelt.
That's just fucking mean.
Locked out of your car again. Who hasn't been there? Not to worry. The human seatbelt will...
Open the damn door!
Open the fucking door!
Moving on. Other features include an additional speaker for that surround sound.
I got something for you, punky!
I don't really know what's going on.
¡José! ¡Tráeme la manguera! ¡José! Chingada, madre.